Say the restaurant? Mm-hmm. Yeah. I feel like I'm gonna say the wrong thing.
You can't say the wrong thing. But I mean, you could. Should I introduce you now? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Manye, and today's video is another 24 hours in Outer Banks. OBX. I've been to North Carolina many times, but I've never had a proper beach trip. So one of my best friends from high school and I are gonna go together. So you'll see her in this video. I think that's it. I'm gonna keep this short and sweet, but please like, comment, and subscribe to the video if you like it, and let's go to the beach. Let's go getaway. No, I'm not doing that. Everyone, this is the book Megan got for me. Honorary. Should I introduce you now?
Ooh, I would wait.
Okay, so this is the book. We're building the anticipation.
We are.
Even though you're already on the.
I'm on the channel.
It's old. It's old.
I'm a new person.
She's a new. We're different now. But she got me this book that I guess she read before.
You're welcome.
So sweet angel. I was just saying I need a good just chill read because I'm reading the second book of the Legendborn series, and it is just. I just want more of the romance. Anyways, we're about to go get some Dunkin'. She wrote a list and forgot items from the list, so we're gonna fix that. That's it.
I know.
Certainly was not.
Eric.
No.
Can I do spicy Zax sauce and ranch with that? Do you guys have Coke Zero?
Yeah.
Can I do that? It's Zax sauce with that.
For lunch.
Oh my gosh, and toast.
Ooh, finna tear this up. Meat. Let's do a quick interview.
Okay. I was to introduce me.
Oh yeah, let's do a proper introduction. This might be a little crooked, but better. Everyone, God. This is one of my best friends. I guess I should call you by your government, Megan. Oh! We've been friends since high school. Feels like longer now, though.
I know. It's been like over a decade.
It's been over a decade. Isn't that insane?
That's crazy.
So, anything you are looking forward to during this trip? This retreat, if you will?
I want to meet like a local. Don't think that's gonna happen.
We don't hold out hope.
And then I want to just be able to like land on the beach and have a drink.
Yeah, that's it, y'all.
I'm feeling a little nervous. Like,
are you
in front of the camera? I feel like I'm gonna say the restaurant.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm gonna say the wrong thing.
You can't say the wrong thing. But I mean, you could. Unless you say something crazy.
That's
You're
true.
Safe here.
Okay,
you're
perfect.
safe here.
Wait, this is like our mukbang era.
Oh my gosh, it is. Let's do like a quiet chop. Let's do like one quiet
ASMR.
chop. Wait,
one quiet chop.
Wait. Turn the music down. Turn the music. Girl. Yes. Play. Cafecito. Okay. Having my nice cup of coffee right outside. Whenever I do these beach trips, it reminds me of how I just need to live by water. Some body of water, preferably the ocean, but here's the outfit of the day. I'm gonna make this quick. Linen pants, margarita top. This fit is sponsored by H&M, I think. Look here, I forgot where I got the top from. I will show you what I can. It might be a little chaotic, but it's about time I have a little less structured video. So I'm just gonna show you what I can show you and give you the context that I can give you. It's just so nice. It's really so nice. Okay, I'm leaving. Love you guys. And you guys, I've never had this before, but they have this mango lemonade. It looks really, really yummy. So I got it. So this is everything we got. She got a whole sub. These are so, she just put me on. I'm addicted to these. In fact, I'm about to punch another one in your ear right now. Actually, I'm not. Let me finish what I'm doing. And then she said these are good. We have them tiered. So this one's the best in her opinion. These two tie, and this one's like, okay. But I haven't eaten any of them before, so I'm excited to try that. For like a snack or breakfast, don't mind the crumbs. And we have goldfish, whole grain, regular, French bread, blueberry muffins. Because, yeah, naturally. We have some balsamic vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, and some bread seasoning so we can like dip our bread. And then I just got this onion because I'm gonna make some Alfredo, some fruits, tomatoes, some chicken, some cookies, and I'm gonna later on make some chicken pasta with angel hair. There's angel hair over there, but I'll show you guys that later. Whoa! Got my water boiling. Like cheated on Ricky or something with like, yeah, no, had to be there. Yeah, but wait, I want to know what happened. Ooh, this is my bowl.
No, it's so good.
Is it?